Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from TechTalk, and in today's video I will be unboxing and taking my first look at the brand new Honor 20E. So this is designed as their entry level to the market, as their pricing only starts at £159 on the highhonor.com website. And actually what you get for this device is quite impressive, so let's jump in and find out together. So on the front here we get to see the front and the back side of the device, which is really nice. Honor 20E. Just around the side we've got Honor 20 branding as well. Coming around to the back, one thing I do like to see here is a 2 VRILAND certification for eye comfort control, and just at the bottom here we've got a bit more information actually about our device. Some key details from here is 64 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, phantom blue color, it offers a dual SIM, and now it's time to get it unboxed. So what we need to do is just cut a bit of this tape that's along the back here. Now that's done, it should just slide off. Slow reveal. So our device is sat inside here. So I'm going to take our device out, sit this to the side for the moment. Let's see what we get inside here. So inside here we've got our SIM tool, which is handy. We've got Honor booklet. So we'll just have a range of information. If you do need any help though, drop a comment down below. More than happy to help. I see a lot of these devices now. Warranty card, so make sure you add your warranty. And we've got this like TPU sort of plasticky sort of actual free case to put on the back, which is nice. And as you can see, we have a fingerprint sensor that's built into the rear of our device. So great, sit that to the side. What else have we got? So we've got a cable here for syncing and charging. So let's just see what options we have here. So you have your standard USB-A, and this is to a micro USB here. So this still uses the micro USB. I do prefer the USB-C options now, but this uses the micro USB. You also have a 3-pin plug with a pop-up third pin, just a bit of plastic on here. I'll just take this away here. That pin pops up there, so just be careful with that third pin because it is made of plastic and sometimes they have broke on me, so just be careful. So that's what we get in the box. Do we get anything else? Sometimes they hide some headphones. No, so no more headphones inside there. You might get some though, just depends what device you get. As this is a press unit, it can sometimes vary. So moving this all to the side, let's take a look at our actual device as well. So it comes in a little protective cover here. Take this out. So we have some information on the front here. So it says Honor 20E, AI triple camera, so that's on the rear, a 6.21-inch Honor full view display, and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. And it is this phantom blue that looks really nice, a real nice sort of aurora color here, looks really nice. And again, you have to get it in the right light for it to just pop and come alive. So let's take off this front sticker. So just taking that off there, I'm going to stick that over there. And we're going to power our device on. So we've got our power button down the right hand side here. So that's coming on, and you've got your volume controls as well. No textural differences there, that's one thing I do like to look at. Come around to the back here, we've got another sticker just on here. Take that off. There's also another one there. There you go. You've got the Honor branding at the bottom there. AI camera. It's really nice in the light. It's about shining it in the right light. So then we're moving into the setup phase. So let's go through the setup phase together. So at the bottom here we've got vision settings, and you've got magnification or font size. We're going to change the font size, just making it easier for me to read. Let's put that up quite large there. It makes it easier for me to read then going through, because if you didn't know, I am visually impaired, and sometimes that's why I'm not in front of the camera. It's just harder for me to be in front and trying to present as well as trying to read. So let's go through the setup phase. English, yes, get started. United Kingdom, next. Terms of use, to agree to use the device, because we want to use all the services it provides. It will then ask you to insert SIM. So you can then do a data input, so we can come from an Android device, iPhone or iPad, Huawei Cloud Backup, or Google Cloud Backup. As I don't have a SIM card, it's great to actually then insert your Wi-Fi pin here. So select your Wi-Fi, and now I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi network. So it will turn blue. Once done, you can hit next. Then it will ask us to sign in with our Google account. So this device does come with Google services and the Google Play Store. So some devices do now from Honor, some don't, and it is mentioned on their websites which ones do and which ones that don't. So this will be running EMUI 9.1 based on Android 9. So you're going to sign in with your Google account, or you can create one. I'm going to skip for the process of the video, but you will need one to use all of their services. Then this time it's asking us to log in with our Huawei ID. So if you have a Huawei account, you can do, and then obviously we can use a cloud backup if we want to. I'm going to skip. Device protection, so you can set fingerprint ID, you can set face unlock, or you can set passwords. And as you can see, we've got this tiny little U cut out notch option at the top here for our front facing camera. So I'm just going to turn this down to a 4-digit pin and add my pin. Then obviously we're going to find at the back here, nice ideal location, and all I'm doing is just tapping away. So if I make a mistake or it doesn't register it, it'll come up red, and then it will ask you to highlight certain areas that you might have missed. So as you can see there, it's saying to do that side. Great, and then we're okay, we're ready to go. Your fingerprint is set, and we can also set a face unlock. So let's do the face unlock as well. So it will ask for your pin that you've already used, and then it says to look at your device. So I'm just going to hold it here, and you should be able to see it. Brilliant, so that's done. So enhanced services, yes, agree to these because I want to get the best use out of my device. So user experience enhancement program, so we can use these options again. That's more for weather and location. To keep your software up to date, yes please. And we're done. That's nice and simple. If you have any questions though, let me know. So as you see, we've got the Google Play Store here and our device is ready to go. So looking through, we've got applications that you'll be quite used to. And I do like the actual wallpaper here matches the back of your device with these colors. It just pops and comes alive. Seriously, I need to get in some good light to try and show you these colors because it is absolutely beautiful, and I hope it is coming through on the camera. So now our device is set up and ready to go. Let's go through some key details. So what we're going to be looking at all the time is our display, and it's a 6.21 inch full view display from Honor, and it's an FHD+. Its resolution is 2340 by 1080 and offers 16.7 million colors, which is really impressive. The CPU and power and performance in our device is what's next. So it uses the Huawei Kirin 710F processor, which is an octa-core variant with variant speeds. It has 64 gigabytes of onboard storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, a 3,400 mAh battery, and it can use either a dual SIM or it can use one SIM and a micro SD card for added storage. So the front-facing camera, as I said, in this little U notch design here, is an 8 megapixel f2.0, and that's forced focus, so you have to really make sure you're in focus with that one. The rear AI triple camera is going to be impressive from Honor, as it does the same as what we see on the Huawei devices as well. They sort of very interlink and use different camera lenses. But the first one is a 24 megapixel f1.8. We have then an 8 megapixel f2.4, and you've got a 2 megapixel f2.4 with phase detection autofocus. You've got 480 frames per second super slow motion video. We have super night shot, and also one of them lenses is going to be the ultra wide variant, which has up to 120 degrees field of view, which is really impressive. So coming back round, our device has sadly locked, but one little tap of our finger will unlock our device. So a little bit slower than the 9X Lite that we've just taken a look at, but it is there and it's going. A bit faster though than the Moto G8 Power Edition that we've also looked at this week. A lot of devices, same sort of price range, so I think a good comparison video will be coming up very soon. But over to you, the audience, what do you think? Let me know in the comments section down below. Is this device for you? There are options available on highhonor.com. A great starting price, £160. The link will be in the description, but let me know what you think. Leave comments below and I'll be more than happy to read through them. While you're there, please give the video a like, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all of my latest videos. For me, Ricky, and the brand new Honor 20E edition, I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.